Hi guys, my name is John Kinyua and today I'm back again with an interesting topic at JK Show. Kama kawaida tumeelekezwa na Wizara ya Afya kwamba lazima tu sanitize ili kujikinga na virusi vya corona. So kama kawaida you just have small portion enough in your hands. Rub, hakikisha zimeingia kwenye vidole sawa sawa. Make sure that every part of your hand is sanitized. Yeah, so fellow Kenyans, tumekuwa tukingoja story ya quarantine itolewe, lockdown itolewe, so that we can go back to our normal lives, can go back to Shago, get back to our loved ones and all that. Fortunately or unfortunately, we still have some more 30 days to go. I believe this decision was made in the best interest for our great nation. So tuvumilia tu, zitakuja kuisha. So today I want us to discuss on a few ideas that we can actually implement during this quarantine period to make a few extra coins even as we go through this pandemic. The economic times are hard, but I believe that there is still an opportunity for everyone. So with me I have 5 ideas that I want us to discuss and find out how you think about them. On the comment section, please share what you think about them. Ni idea gani unasikia imekufurahisha? Ni idea gani unafeel ndio ya vijana? Ni gani unafeel ndio for our ladies? Which one do you think it's for our fathers and mothers and all that? Remember to subscribe so that you can also receive important updates and great content from us. Our first idea is delivery of household stuff. During this quarantine period, most of the people are working from home. So there is a high demand of delivery of household stuff, which creates an opportunity. This could include shopping, food stuff, grocery, and other household items and supplies. Here, you would only need a Facebook profile and a few contacts to start with. It could be your family members, your friends, and even your colleagues at work. You can source for these items from nearby supermarkets, grocery stores, and also wholesale stores that are around you. You may consider buying in bulk from wholesalers within your estate and selling them to customers at a small profit. For example, some time back I bought a dozen of light bulbs for just 300 shillings from a wholesale shop. This means that per piece niliuziwa 25 bob, while the retail price at the market price right now is 50 shillings. So if I decided to sell those bulbs at even 5 shillings lower than the recommended retail price, bado ninge make profit from that business. Also, charge a considerable delivery fee that the customer will be comfortable with, that is not very expensive for him. Our second idea is becoming an online fitness trainer. Quarantine imefanya watu kama sisi tudishi sana, different from how we used to do it before. Program imekuwa ni kuamka, kufanya kazi, kudishi na kulala. Na juu ya COVID, people are not comfortable going to the gym. So this will be a good time for fitness fanatics to get a few coins by offering this service online. You can create an online webinar program where you can offer healthy living tips and workout routines, and then you can charge a small monthly subscription fee to your customers. However, you need to do some good research and learn more about the different fitness models and programs for the different body types and conditions. For instance, expectant moms require special fitness exercises different from the rest of us. So on to our third idea is becoming an online tutor and offering online consultancy. I believe that everyone has a skill, and there are so many people who want to learn from you and also to learn from your skill as well. Inaweza kuwa ni coding, developing apps, developing websites, systems. Inaweza kuwa ni hesabu, can be sciences, playing the piano, playing the guitar, playing the violin. Inaweza kuwa pia ni kuimba, or even a foreign language like Kijaluo. As a matter of fact, I'm looking for somebody mwenye atanifunza Luo pia and idioms. Similarly, you can also offer consulting services in your area of expertise. Say for example, kama ni mse umeiva social media marketing, umeiva sales and marketing, umeiva project management, financial management umeiva, Unaweza funza wasee and they get to pay you for that. You make some few extra coins from your area of expertise. Simple. You can just make use of Skype. It is free to download and use. Zoom pia ni bure, and other video conferencing services that are available, and charge your customers for that. Our fourth idea is urban farming. While we live in the urban setup, I believe that we still can manage our space and do some farming. If you have a balcony or a small space at your house, this is for you. You can plant some tomatoes, some zucchini, some pepper, sukuma wiki, spinach, and even some coriander. Coriander by the way ni dania. You can use water pipes as seen on the screen right now. You can use gunias. You can also use recycled containers such as buckets, karai. Recycle some of these things to create the urban farming. This kind of farming is very, very sustainable because you can actually save some coins by consuming from your own kitchen garden. You can also sell them to immediate neighbors, and also you can supply them to the mama mbogas around you. They would love to buy from you. On to our final idea for today is making DIY decorative items. Kwa wazito wenye hawaelewi DIY ni nini kama mimi, it means do it yourself. These are just items that you can make using readily available and affordable materials without necessarily having any formal skills. For instance, you can make photo mounting frames, vases using recycled wine bottles, paper flowers, interior decorative items, and even Ankara African themed items such as handbags, shoes, ornaments, and what have you. I have actually seen people making DIY tables and other carpentry items that do not necessarily need you to have a carpentry shop. Such items you can now sell to people who love art, I included, and you can make extra coin and make it a business actually. Those are the 5 ideas that you can give a child during this quarantine period, and we would love to hear the experiences that you have after you've given them a trial. Thank you for watching, and we wish to remind you, keep safe, sanitize, and observe social distancing and any other directive as given by the Ministry of Health and the government. I believe that we are more than conquerors, and this too we are going to conquer. With this, we come to the end of our today's episode, and we look forward to hearing from your comments and suggestions on some of the topics that you feel that we can discuss on this platform. Until next time, God bless you.